All right, let's get right into it. It's the one question that's on pretty much everyone's mind. AI is coming for our jobs. But which ones is it coming for first? Let's figure it out. Okay, so picture this. It's just a totally normal day, right? You've got your coffee, you're sitting down at your desk, just settling into your usual routine. And then, bam, you get the news. That role you've had, maybe for years, it doesn't exist anymore. Just like that, it's gone. Now here's the real kicker. It's not about you or your performance. You weren't fired. You were replaced by a piece of software. And this isn't some scene from a sci-fi movie. This is happening right now. AI isn't some far-off idea anymore. It's here, and it is changing the job market faster than any of us expected. So yeah, that wave of change, it's not on the horizon. We're already in it. AI is getting woven into the workforce, and let's be honest, that puts a target on certain jobs. And that's the part that's kind of scary, right? AI isn't replacing everything all at once. It's selective. It's got a hit list. And that leads to the million-dollar question. Is your job on that list? So let's talk about that. Which jobs are actually on the chopping block first? Well, to understand that, you've got to know what AI is really, really good at. AI's first targets all share a very clear pattern. We're talking about jobs that are repetitive, doing the same thing over and over, predictable, and based on a very clear set of rules. If that sounds a little too familiar, you're going to want to pay close attention. So what does that actually look like? Well, think about things like data entry. That's a classic. Or handling those routine customer support chats online, even writing basic formulaic content, or making those scripted sales calls, all prime candidates. And honestly, from a business perspective, the logic is kind of hard to argue with. An AI can do the work 24/7, it never calls in sick, it doesn't make typos, and it processes information at a speed no human ever could. It's an efficiency machine. Okay, so routine jobs are in the danger zone. But what about all the creative fields? A lot of us think, hey, my job requires creativity. I'm safe. Well, maybe we shouldn't be so sure. I mean, really think about it for a second. Is creativity a fortress that AI just can't breach? The reality might be a little bit different than you think. The truth is, AI is already playing in the creative sandbox. I mean, right now, it's designing professional logos, it's writing entire movie scripts, and it's even editing videos based on simple text prompts. And here's the absolute craziest part. It can do all of that in just a few seconds. The speed is just staggering. Now, this doesn't mean all creative jobs are doomed, but it definitely means things are about to get really interesting. So if routine work and creative work are being impacted, what's left? Let's take a look at the roles that are, for now at least, a lot safer. It really boils down to one fundamental difference. AI is a champion of speed, data, and following roles. But humans, we shine where things get messy, where you need real emotion, hands-on skills in the unpredictable real world, and making tough calls that don't come with an instruction manual. That's exactly why jobs like doctors, who need empathy and incredibly complex diagnostic skills, are safer. Same goes for engineers who are solving brand new problems, skilled tradespeople working in unpredictable environments, and entrepreneurs who live and breathe ambiguity. These roles all lean heavily on those uniquely human strengths. And this brings us to what is, without a doubt, the most important point of this entire conversation. The real story here isn't about which jobs are safe. It's about a massive shift in how we all need to think about our careers. Let that one sink in for a second. The technology itself isn't the enemy. The real danger is sticking your head in the sand and pretending it's not happening. The people who are truly at risk are the ones who refuse to adapt. So, what's the game plan? How do you survive and even thrive? Well, it's a pretty simple 3-step playbook. 1, learn what these AI tools can actually do. 2, start using them. And 3, stop thinking of AI as your replacement and start seeing it as your partner, your co-pilot. Because ultimately, the future isn't going to be won by fighting against AI. It's going to belong to the people who embrace it, who understand its power, and who use it to become 10 times better at what they already do. So let's just be real for a minute. No job is 100% safe from change. But that's not a reason to be scared. It's a reason to get prepared. Your future isn't going to be decided by AI. It's going to be decided by how you choose to react to it. So it all just comes down to this one thing. Are you ready? Are you ready to learn, to adapt,
and to start building a future where you are working with this amazing technology, not against it.
I really want to know what you think. After hearing all this, how are you feeling? Is your job safe? Drop a comment below and let me know. And hey, if this breakdown was helpful, make sure you subscribe for more.